So instead of demonizing guns, one private school is teaching their students how to use them safely. Here's the founder of X for Boys Schools on his way to the gun range with his class. Take a look.
Treat every weapon as if you're a lawyer, understand?
Yes, sir.
Never point your weapon at anything you don't intend to shoot, cool?
Yes, sir.
Keep your fingers straight and off the trigger until you're ready to fire, got it?
Yes, sir.
And keep your weapon on safe until you're ready to fire, got it?
Yes, sir.
You've seen him before. King Randall is the founder of the X for Boys Schools. King, brother, I'm so proud of you as always. What made you decide to do this with your young men?
Well, particularly in the black community, most of the young men don't get a chance to experience firearms but through rap music or through video games or through things they see on TV. And those people or those things aren't people we want to teach our children how to use firearms. They're going to learn how to use them anyways. They're going to learn about them anyway. So why not proper people and proper instructors teach our children about firearms to demystify the weapon for them and actually have them learn proper firearm safety, proper gun etiquette. I think that's extremely important, especially in a country where the guns are located. I won't hide them from them. I want to show them reality. So one of the biggest things for us is making sure that our children learn about firearms. During the entire time I've had the program, I myself have always carried a firearm with my students because I want to make sure they're protected and avoid situations such as happened in Uvalde.
You know, King, what's been the response from the community? You know, this is not the first time you've done something like this. You teach them basic skills, how to repair cars, how to do plumbing, all different type of trades that young men should know so when they become husbands, they can do it in their household. But taking it to the next step, teaching them how to protect their families with a gun, what's been the response?
The response has been interesting for the most part. What I do like to tell a lot of people, especially white liberals, most of them don't necessarily care for nonviolence. They just want us defenseless. We just call it like it is. They want us defenseless because most of those people are sitting around telling us, oh, we need to ban guns and all that stuff. Let's go to their houses and see how many guns they have. They want us defenseless. They would love nothing more than for black people and minorities to be defenseless in their communities so white supremacists and other people can come run rampant in our communities. And I also say this to our community, where are they going to go first when we ban all these weapons? We say we're scared of the police. Well, why are we trying to, push for more police interaction? That makes no sense. But the response, overwhelmingly has been, positive because our boys need to learn this. Instead of them learning it from the streets, they'll learn it with us while we're teaching them how to work on cars and how to be husbands and how to do construction and how to grow their own food. We at the Extra Boys are going to teach them how to use firearms properly and how to teach them gun etiquette. I think that's extremely important for our communities. We have to be proactive and not reactive. And being proactive is teaching them about firearms and lessening the chances of them getting into any accidents or having any episodes where they're just trying to figure out what a gun is or something like that. Because most times a lot of children are just excited to hold a weapon. They've never seen it before. They saw it on rap video. They want to hold it and take pictures with it, pointing at each other and stuff like that. So I want to make sure I teach them, no, this is a firearm. You need to respect it and what it can do, and learn how to actually use it at the proper time.
I don't care what they say. You're saving lives by doing this, King. Not from just a standpoint of these are going to be great Second Amendment owners when they get of age, but also when they come in contact with a gun, they're going to know safety, not to touch the gun, to know not to point the gun. You're saving lives, and we appreciate you, brother. Thanks for coming on Primetime tonight.
Thanks so much, Lawrence.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.